Hello, my name is April. I am 42 years old. I'm from Florida. I'm a mother of 3, and I have a disabled veteran husband that I need to take care of. So, I was looking for the program that worked for me, and Karina's program was the program. I had gotten up to 226 pounds, and I was hurting, and I was miserable, and something had to give. So I found her on Facebook. I've been with her almost 2 years now. I've lost 50 pounds, and I've gained a lot of muscle, as you can see. So I use all of her products, and I do her videos every day. And I just love the feeling of the workout. And once I'm done, I feel so much better throughout the day. I feel like I can do so much more than I used to be able to do. I can run around with my kids and not get tired or overwhelmed or sad that I can't do anything with them. And I can take care of my husband, which was the ultimate goal anyway, to get healthy, to be able to take care of my family. And I used to not be able to do these squats. Join Karina, eat the chicken, do all the things she tells you to do.